How would you like to earn part-time, full-time, or even life-changing income by sharing products and services from the largest industry in the world? If you said yes, then welcome to the most dynamic and lucrative compensation plan on the planet, 2SL. When you combine an $8 trillion product with a compensation plan that pays you that now money to help you with your current needs and that later money to build your residual income, you have one of the easiest businesses on the planet for someone to have success with. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The 2SL compensation has 8 different ways to earn. Regardless if you're brand new, just starting a business for the first time, or a veteran looking for a change. Listen up, because I'm going to show you how we're changing thousands of lives worldwide with a simple plan. In fact, while most companies pay out only 35% to 45% to their associates, 2SL is committed to paying out up to 75%. And we've made it so simple to understand and explain to others. Rather than having a massive amount of overhead with fancy offices and private jets, 2SL has opted to give as much as possible back to our associates. As mentioned, we will pay up to 75% of the total business volume that comes through our doors. If 2SL produces $1 million in business volume, we're committed to paying out as much as $750,000 to our associates, which means massive earning potential for you. Let's take a look at how simple this plan is for you to start earning today. First, 2SL will pay you $100 for every new Ultimate Lifestyle package someone purchases from you. This is unlimited. Imagine $100 hitting your bank account over and over just by sharing a product that everyone wants and needs anyway. It gets so much better though. What if I told you could earn a 100% Fast Start matching bonus for anyone you personally enroll? I know it's crazy, right? Because we are the first in the industry to offer this. But it's true. If you enroll 3 people at the Ultimate Lifestyle package, you'll earn $300 Fast Start bonus as mentioned before. And these are unlimited bonuses. If those 3 people simply replicate what you just did and also make 3 sales, you will get a 100% matching bonus from your 3 personal sales for a total of $900. That's right. I just showed you how to earn $1,200 today by simply having 3 people purchase the Unlimited Lifestyle package and then helping them do the same thing. Could you use an extra $1,200 a month? How about an extra $12,000? Remember, there are no limits to the Fast Start bonus or the 100% Fast Start matching bonus. So regardless of what your financial goals are, you have the opportunity to achieve them here. As you can see, 2SL has completely changed the game when it comes to earning potential, and we haven't even told you about your ability to earn residual income. Have you ever seen a company that says it has 20 different ways to earn and you can't understand any of them? Well, take a breath, because we've made it so simple for you here at 2SL. You will not find a stronger residual opportunity than the 2SL Team Cycle bonus and matching bonus. Remember, we pay up to 75% of the total business volume that comes into 2SL, and that means serious earning potential for you. How much income on a monthly basis would you like for just flicking on the light switch? You know, that money you earn while you're sleeping. You've heard about it, but have you experienced it? That residual income that so many people talk about. What's your number? $1,000? $10,000? $50,000 a month? Regardless your number, you have the potential to earn it here at 2SL. What if I told you by only having a group of 40 people in your entire organization, you could earn up to $200 per month here at 2SL? That's $2,400 a year. The best part is we're not talking about 40 people you personally enroll. These are sales from anyone on your team above you or below you. That's right. We've created a residual component to our compensation plan that allows you to really lock arms with everyone on your team and work towards a common goal. So you're in business for yourself, but definitely not by yourself. So what would it take to earn $10,000 a month every month here at 2SL? Well, it's pretty simple. An active team of only 2,000 people. That's it. And you could be earning up to 5 figures monthly and 6 figures a year. The best part is that your residual income is generated from the $30 monthly product fee from either the lifestyle package or the ultimate lifestyle package. We've made it so affordable to the masses, so they will not ever let their membership lapse because it's affordable and the value is off the charts. Oh, and remember, this doesn't even include the $100 payments you'll be receiving over and over from the Fast Start bonus or the 100% Fast Start matching bonus you receive from the associates you personally enroll. Guess what? The residual opportunity gets even better. For anyone that you personally enroll into 2SL, you can also earn a 10% matching bonus once you're qualified from their Team Cycle bonus. Let me share an example to help you better understand this. You enroll Jackie, Mike, and Maria. This month, Jackie earns a Team Cycle bonus of $1,000. Mike earns a Team Cycle bonus of $5,000, and Maria earns a Team Cycle bonus of $2,000. Since you personally enrolled them and are qualified, you will earn a 10% matching bonus from all of them for a total of $800. Imagine the power of being in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Having the opportunity to earn that now income to help you with your current bills while building a sustainable business for the future with the residual income you'll produce along the way for that later income. Did you think we were done? 2SL doesn't stop here. We also offer rank advancement bonuses where you can earn up to $91,000 in cash, along with some amazing gifts and prizes just for having success with your 2SL business. Now that you see the earning potential you have with 2SL, combined with the largest industry in the world, I'm sure you understand why thousands are becoming associates and customers of 2SL and part of this amazing movement. Here's a quick question. How would you like a piece of every dollar that 2SL generates as a company? We've designed a leadership bonus that does exactly this. Once you qualify, you can share in the growth of the company and create some life-changing income for you and your family. Our goal here at 2SL is to have more associates than any other company in the world, earning at least $1,000 per month. We're doing this by taking our associates by the hand and providing the best training in the industry, from trainers who are already 6- and 7-figure income earners. In the process, we're creating a movement that allows you to travel more, earn more, and really start living. If you're ready for a change in your life, you've found it. Stop struggling and start living. We provide you the products, the tools, and the compensation plan to take your business wherever you want it to go. Do what all successful people do and get started today. Remember, with 2SL, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Join the movement today.